Hi viewers, today video WazirX Wrx price prediction update forecast, latest technical analysis, last 24 hours, 25% good pumping, rise, coming days some short-term selling pressure, 5% to 10% downfall, decrease, no issue already pump 25%. Current technical indicator sentiment is neutral, 65% green days. It means 20 times up and 10 times downfall, decrease down. Price volatility near 7%, not very good. WazirX current position best par entry by trade. Forex trading versus cryptocurrency. Forex traded is disciplined trading. Some major currency pair. Cryptocurrency is very risky, but people like sometime most profitable. 24-hour trading volume 47 million, market cap 47.70 million. WazirX current circulating supply 382 million, out of supply 964 million. WazirX traded 3 cryptocurrency exchanges, traded Binance, KuCoin, and many other exchanges. Support levels 0.097875, 0.07850, 0.058357. Resistance levels 0.137815, 0.157350, 0.175135. WazirX RSI relative strength index momentum value 51.55, neutral position zone. WazirX forecast current technical indicator sentiment is neutral position. Coming days short term facing selling pressure 5% to 10%. Current position best time buy entry trade WazirX WRX. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.